Hi everybody. Behind me is a very abandoned structure. I hadn't even noticed it because I was looking at insects, and then I looked up here and I saw this structure in the weeds. This is an abandoned tram car for a farm. So somewhere up there's a farm. This is one of those putt-putt machines that would have ran on a monorail. You can see the terminal end of it right here. You can't even see it. There's part of the monorail in there. Wow. And this is completely swallowed by the forest. The farm must be completely gone. Amazing.